Hey guys, this is a 2013.
Thank you.
It's 2013 A200 Mercedes, and we're trying to get to the spark plugs. So it takes the same time it takes to service a Honda Civic to get to the spark plugs. Just be careful with it. It's all very fragile, particularly these areas here. They also fail on the BMs. It just doesn't look very good, does it? So we've loosened the airbox and this clamp and separated them. And over here, we've taken these connectors back. You can see where I've disconnected here. I've not cut this clamp, right? Or this clamp. So that's to give you an idea there. Now these two hoses, okay. And regarding this wiring harness, though you can get a little bit of movement here, the way it's designed, it looks like, unless maybe I'm, is to pull this out that way, turn it around. Now, be careful here, okay? See how the intake tube is designed to slide and then come out here? That can be difficult to get out. So it's designed, this is like a lock to stop it blowing off here. And the rest is self-explanatory. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. You don't need to disconnect the hoses there. You don't need to cut these clamps, right? You just use our favorite additive, consumable. And you want to make sure these are all dry. So though I've used silicone here, that's engine oil actually, but though I've used silicone in places, you want to dry it all up before you reinstall it. Except this one here. This can be left with some rubber grease here. This one comes off here and this separates here. This stays. Okay. Obviously you want to blow it out with your shop air, blow all the sand out. Hope that helps.